How to create a YouTube channel on Android tablet. Well, creating a YouTube channel on any device is particularly plain and simple and similar. Now I'm here on iPhone, but the process is similar on your tablet as well. Simply go ahead and proceed to log in to YouTube and log in using your particular Google account. Now once here, if you do not have any channel, then you can log into that account, or you can see add account option if you haven't yet added the account. You can proceed to tap on add account and you can tap on continue, and you can choose your particular Google account or enter in and log into your new Google account. Once you're logged in, it'll ask you to enter in certain details, and even if your account isn't created, it'll simply create the account for you. So it's pretty simple. All you gotta do is log in, and then you can head over to you option. Here you can see I have this channel here, but here I have nothing. So you can tap on pencil icon and you can proceed to create the channel here, changing name, adding descriptions if you wanna remain active and post. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe as well.